G'day, Graham here. Did you hear about the mass shootings in England today? This bloke called Derick decided to go on a killing spree. He's a taxi driver and apparently he had some problems with some taxi drivers the night before, and he shot 3 taxi drivers and he killed them, and he went from Whitehaven to Cumbria on a killing spree. The police have found out that he's killed 12 people so far and at least 25 people have been wounded. It's really bad. But why do people do this? If they've got problems, why don't they sort it out without killing people? Now, he killed himself in the forest in Cumbria, but why kill innocent people? Now, it's fair enough to kill himself, or fair enough to probably kill the people who he hates or whatever like that, but why kill totally innocent people, totally random people doing their business? It's pretty bad. Society is terrible sometimes. My heart goes out to the people who've been injured and killed. It's very sad. I wish humanity was more evolved and more aware and were better. You know, if humanity was better, the earth would truly be paradise. Anyway, my friends, down there's a link to the story. You can read it. It's pretty bad. Anyway, my friends, if you see people around you acting a bit strangely and they might be suicidal and so forth, tell people about it. Ask them what they're thinking, or perhaps get them help before it's too late. Anyway, take care. Stay safe. Bye for now.
Rate me, comment me, love me and subscribe. Subscribe to